How to reset Chromecast device, Chromecast update, Chromecast down. If you want to reset your Chromecast device or update it, factory erase it if it's not working correctly, there are many ways to do so. First, let's talk about updating. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection on your Chromecast. Then, go to the gear icon or the settings icon, which you can see from the top right hand side, and go to all settings. Then you want to simply go to the option called System. Under System, go to the option called About. Now if you want to update your firmware, you'll find the System Update option from the top. Make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi. If there is an update, it will begin installing the update, and make sure to not plug your TV in that case. Now what you want to also do is, if you are trying to factory erase it, you'll find this option right here that says factory reset. When you select it, it will ask you for a confirmation that if you want to reset it, everything will get deleted. The files, the data, the accounts, the downloaded apps, everything will be erased. So if you are sure of that, you can just hit this factory reset icon right here in order to be able to reset it. This is how you can reset your Chromecast device or even update it if you're still having some kind of issues. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.